We are using a modular power supply unit, or PSU, meaning that none of the cables are permanently attached to the unit. Therefore, we only need to select the cables for our particular build. From left to right, we have a 4-pin Molex cable for a USB extension block, which we'll talk about more later. Then we have a 6-pin cable for the graphics card. We have a SATA power cable for our SSD drive and the Smart Hub power. Then we have an 8-pin CPU power cable and a 24-pin motherboard power cable. On top of the cables is a set of cable combs which are attached to the cables exposed in the front of the case for aesthetic purposes only. I attach all the cables to the PSU before sliding the unit into the case. We will attach the case bracket that we took off earlier to the PSU, and then we're going to slide the PSU into the case with the fan facing towards the bottom of the case. We will then secure it with the screws. Now in this video it shows the cables being attached after the unit is slid in place, but I like to do it before because I think it's kind of tight in there. On our next video we're going to show attaching the power cables to the motherboard.